Hi, Ewell, Kansas Home guys. We're out here in Hutchinson again, and we're checking on the project that we've been working on the last couple weeks. You can see behind me, we've got the walls painted. We've got the fireplace doing that accent color again. That's a really neat thing that we've been doing lately. That white mantle as well as the white trim really make things pop. We'll spin around here the stairway. That was a darker wood color, and we've got that painted white. It really stands out. The kitchen, we have done some work in the kitchen. We did some new countertops in here. We don't have it all put together yet, but we've got, you can see where the sink is cut out. So we've got some new Formica countertops here. We were able to repurpose this floor that we've had. We just been cleaning that up a little bit. It was in really good condition, so we didn't see any need to get that replaced. It's a real beautiful looking floor, and I think the new homeowners are going to love it.